Shoumri Nature Reserve. It is the first nature reserve for wildlife. The Royal Society for the Conservation of Nature established this reserve in 1975 in Al-Azraq in Zarqa city in the East Desert. It is about 22 kilometers in Al-Shoumri Valley. The reason for building it is to protect the Arabian oryxes, which began to extinct in its home, and to protect different kinds and species of wild birds. About 60% of this reserve valleys, but the rest of the land is flat, lands covered with basalt stones. Its height is about 510 to 680 kilometers above the sea level. Now the desert gazelle reem reproduce in there. Also 11 kinds of mammal species, in addition to 134 species of wild birds, also 130 species of wild plants, such as al-sheikh, protected there. ضانا Reserve is a piece of earthly paradise founded in 1989 after it became threatened by desertification. ضانا is Jordan's largest nature reserve, which located in south of Jordan in Tafila Governorate, covering some 300 square kilometers of spectacular mountains and valleys along the face of Great Rift valleys. ضانا is home to great variety of wildlife. There are plants and animals characteristic of true desert. The animals and plants are very rare, and about 700 plant species, 197 bird species, 37 mammal species, and 36 reptile species have been recorded in this reserve, of which 25 are known to be endangered, including sand cat, Syrian wolves, the lesser kestrel, and spring-tailed lizard. It is characterized by a unique diversity of wildlife, including rare types of plants and animals. It includes 4 areas of plants, about 700 species, and 3 of them can't be found anywhere in the world. These reserves are very important because they protect animals and plants from disappearing. Also, we can protect this natural environment by stop logging, hunting, and hog fishing. Al-Azraq Watery Reserve. It is located in Jordan's East Desert. Its area is about 21 square kilometers near Al-Shoumri Reserve. It has its name from Al-Azraq watery oasis, which is part of its land covered with puddle swamps and watery plants. This reserve protects about 500,000 birds every year live there. Al-Azraq Watery Reserve considered as home to migratory birds which migrates between Africa and Asia. Now 307 species of birds recorded in Al-Azraq Watery Reserve. According to Ramsar Agreement, Al-Azraq Reserve considered as watery area with international importance for the migratory birds. It's also rich in wild watery plants such as alid plants, reedus plants, arculus, and more. The most important species of wild animals which live in Al-Azraq reserves are wolves, red foxes, jackals, striped hyenas, and many of the rodents.